Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I was kindly gifted some beautiful yarn from Hobbii and I thought it would be a cool idea just to share some of that yarn with you all. I will leave all the links to all the yarn in the description down below, so please feel free to go and check them out. So we're going to start off with the rainbow yarn, and I have to admit I love this yarn. It's 100% cotton, but it feels really soft. There's so many colours to choose from, so there's definitely a shade for everyone. Now the yarn label says that it's a super fine yarn, but in my opinion I really think it's a weight 2. Each ball contains 170 metres or 186 yards, so you do get quite a bit in each ball. But the best thing about this yarn is there's a tag at the end of the yarn, so it's very easy to find. You know how sometimes you can be like forever trying to find the end of the yarn, and I don't know about you, but it drives me absolutely crazy. I think every yarn company should do this, so that's definitely a plus for me. So next we have their Fluffy Day yarn. This is a medium weight yarn. When I say this yarn is soft, I really mean this yarn is soft. I just fell in love with it straight away. It's a budget friendly alternative to mohair yarn, so it doesn't contain any animal fibres, so it's classed as a vegan yarn. It's so soft. It has that brushed look about it that mohair has, even though this is made from an acrylic yarn. I loved this colour. I immediately popped it into my basket. I just love anything to do with lilac, lavender. I'm just in love with it. I already have a few ideas of what I'm going to make, so stay tuned for that. Each ball of yarn contains 312 yards or 285 metres, so again you are getting a lot in each ball. Next we have their Colorina yarn. This is a weight 3 yarn. It's a lovely soft yarn with a slightly mottled look about it, combined with long colour changes. It has a loosely spun structure which adds a variety of thickness. It's a blend of 80% acrylic and 20% wool. It's completely machine washable. Each ball contains 200 metres or 218 yards. This yarn I think would be perfect for hats, sweaters and cardigans. Next we have the Dahlia Mixo. This is a 100% cotton cake yarn. The yarn consists of 4 cotton strands in 4 different colours, and each colour runs through the entire skein, which creates a pretty play of colours. The 4 strands are not spun together, which gives the yarn a unique depth of colour. Each cake contains 800 metres or 875 yards. I think this yarn would be perfect for crop tops or a summer sweater. So next we have the Winter Glow. This is a medium weight 4 yarn. It's a blend of wool and acrylic. The yarn has a loosely spun structure with a slight variation in thickness. There's so many beautiful colours going through this yarn. There's mustards, pinks, blues, greens and creams. It's perfect for hats, scarves, sweaters or cardigans. Each ball contains 700 metres or 766 yards. Next we have their Twister Solids yarn. This is classed as a fine weight yarn. It's a blend of 55% cotton and 45% acrylic. It comes in a wide range of colours. I think this yarn is perfect for any kind of a summer top. Each cake contains 400 metres or 437 yards. Next we have their Manaya yarn. This is a medium weight 4 yarn. It's 65% wool and 35% acrylic. And just look at those colours. Can you just imagine a sweater made from this, or even a shawl or a hat, anything really? They're just so bright. There's mustards, there's purples, there's blues, greens. It's a beautiful yarn. Each ball contains 510 metres or 558 yards. And lastly, but by no means the least, we have their Dolce CASHMERE. This is a weight 2 yarn. If you could touch this yarn, if I could actually give you this yarn through the monitor, you would be in love with this yarn. If you're looking for a luxury yarn, this yarn has you covered. It's a blend of wool and cashmere, and the colours are just absolutely stunning. It's perfect for shawls, sweaters, cardigans, anything really. Each ball has 842 yards, so you do get quite a good bit per ball. And that's it. Don't forget, all the links are in the description down below. Once again, thanks for Hobbii for providing me with this beautiful yarn. So which one was your favourite? Comment down below. Would you like to see me make more of these types of videos, like a yarn haul, a yarn review? Just let me know in the comments down below. So until next time, take care.